Hello. In this problem, I want to find the value of the following determinant. I want to show all work. You should realize in order to do this, you need to pick a row or column about which to expand this determinant. In order to do that, we often want to look for zeros. Notice that in this matrix, I have two zeros in this column. Therefore, I'm going to expand about this column. Before I do anything though, I want to do this plus, negative, plus, negative, plus, negative, plus, negative, and plus. Remember this? Okay, so I'm going to start out with this number here, the negative 3. And the question is, should I keep the sign or change the sign? Well, if I look here, this is negative, which means I change the sign. Therefore, this is going to be a positive 3. And then times some 2 by 2 matrix, because this is a 3 by 3 matrix. So I go down by n on both the row and column. The only question is, what is my matrix going to be? Well, I can't use anything in this column, but I also can't use anything in this row. So I can't use any of this right here either. So the only thing that's left is the negative 4, the 4, the 2, and the negative 3. So I have negative 4, 4, 2, and negative 3. Well, guess what? That's as far as I need to go because there are zeros right here. So I would do plus 0 times the matrix 1, 1, 2, negative 3. And then minus 0 times the matrix 1, 1, negative 4, negative 4. Excuse me, the determinants for those. But I don't need to do that because 0 times anything is still 0. That's the reason that we choose zeros like this. Well, now the only thing that's left is to figure out this determinant. I have 3 times negative 4 times negative 3, the product of those two, is positive 12, minus 4 times 2, the product of those two is 8. So I'm left with 3 times 4, which is 12. So the determinant here is 12. And we can always check our answers on these, so there's no reason to guess whether or not you got this correct or not, using the calculator. So turn it on, clear anything in there. I can second, mem, 2, 5, and notice I have a matrix on here from the last example. If I delete, I think, yeah, pressing delete gets rid of it. Clear takes us back to the home screen. So I need to type in this original matrix. So go back into matrix, go right to edit. This is a 3 row by 3 column matrix. So I'm going to type in 1, negative 3, 1, negative 4, 0, 4, 2, 0, negative 3. Once it's all in there, quit. Go back into matrix, write 1 to math, and you see DET? That's what I want. I want the determinant. That's what it stands for. Determinant, then matrix, and then just enter for that matrix we typed it in, and click enter. Hey, look, it told us 12. Fantastic. That means we did this correctly.